Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see a code in Python. So my friends, if you do not know what Python is a coding language which is nowadays very popular, and it is easy, smarter and faster. So my friends, first let's run the code. So I'm sure you must have heard of sites like Agoda, Klook, Trip.com, Booking.com and many more like that. But my friends, this code is also like that. But the only difference is that it doesn't have a server for all of those things, but they have a server. So now let's run it. Okay. Enter the mode of transport you want to travel by. Let me take aeroplane. Welcome to Indian Airways. Which place do you want to go to? Let me select USA. What type of airline would you prefer? Let me say, let's start with economy. How many adults are traveling? Let's take one. Are any children traveling? Yes. How many children are traveling? One. Okay, so the total price comes is 13,005. It is basically 1,35,000. Would you like to book a hotel with us? You will get 20% off on your ticket price. Yes. Do you want to book a hotel? This is double confirmation. Yes. Until what range of money? So first let's take the first one. And the range of money will only come with hotels of 1 star and 2 star. Let's select 1 star. What type of room? Let's take king size bed. Double bed would be okay, but let's start with single bed. Okay, so the combined payment that we have to pay is 109,680 rupees. Have you registered? If your payment is above if your payment is above 1 million rupees or 10 lakh rupees, then you will get 10% off. Have you registered? Yes or no? So let's say yes. Sorry, you will not get any discount as your payment is not above 10 lakhs or 1 million rupees. So my friends, as you can see, the payment is only 109,680, which is equivalent to 1 lakh 9,680 rupees. Now let's again run it, and this time you would differentiate it. This time let's again select aeroplane, but we would like to select again USA, but this time we will select business. How many adults? Same thing. One adult. Yes. One. Your total amount would be 3 lakhs 996,000. 3 lakhs 96,000, which is equivalent to 396,000 rupees. Would you like to book a hotel with us? You'll get 20% off on your ticket price. Yes. Do you want to book a hotel? Yes. Until what range of money would you prefer? Let's take this time again one, but this time we'll select 2 star. Now my friends, why did this error came? Now let's check what happened. It is telling that W is not defined. Now, and it's telling invalid value for M. Now let's run and let's try to correct our mistake. Enter the mode of transport to USA. This time business. 1. Yes. 1. Yes. Yes. Yes, but this time 2 star. Again the same mistake came. Let's check the code and try to check what the mistake is and why it's coming. So let's go to the hotel section, which is out over here. Now let's run and check. Okay, so again now it showed king size bed. Have you registered? So our price is not above, and let's say this time no. So it will tell our price that it was. Now my friends, let's again run it, and this time we would select first class. So this time it's very close to about to be 100,000, but it's not. Now, now would you like to book a hotel with us? Yes. Yes. This time let's take first class. Let's take 5-star hotel and king size bed. So we have to pay 7,56,480. Have you registered? If your payment is above 100, if your payment is above 1 lakh, 10 lakhs or 1 million rupees, then you will get 10% off. That's a yes. Sorry, you will not get any discount as your payment is not above 1 lakh or above 100 or above 10 lakhs or above 1 million rupees. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share for more informative videos. Now you also got to get to know if the such errors come, what we have to do. We just have to correct the invalid option. Like over here, it was over here. We have to correct it, and what do we have to do? We have to run our program again, and it will run. So now I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.